Heat pump mini split units. Many homes have them, and more are installing them every day. But do you know what's going on inside of the units? There's no doubt that the new hyperheat heat pumps are the most efficient way to heat and cool your home. They do require maintenance that not everyone understands, though. Dirty units can lower efficiency by up to 25%. More importantly, these units can build up dust and grow bacteria and mold inside the heads. When your unit is running, that growth is spread throughout your home where your family lives and breathes. This is the inside of a unit that was installed around 10 years ago and never properly cleaned. The installing company recommended cleaning the filters inside and having the outdoor condenser maintained, but never mentioned the option to do a full cleaning of the indoor heads. The newest service, the DS Home Services, is proud to offer our neighbors here in the Hudson Valley is mini split AC services on a variety of levels. Everything from full disassembly of indoor and outdoor units using our new battery-operated low-pressure pressure washer, which we recommend at least every 5 years, down to a basic cleaning that should be done at least yearly. We can even add an air scrubber UV light, which has a 99% kill rate on most bacteria, viruses, and germs while reducing allergens from dander and dust. The schedule's filling fast. Call today to set an appointment to make your home healthier for you and your family. 845-240-1235. That's 845-240-1235.